Android users, you need to watch this video. I'm going to show you 7 dangerous and some important Android settings that you need to turn off right now. And no, I'm not talking about turning off Wi-Fi scan, Google location history, usage and diagnostic, personalized ads. Also, I'll be telling you one option that you need to turn on, and that option is for the pros. I'll show you at the end. First of all, you need to hide your passwords in Android right now. I mean, when you type a password in Android, you can see one letter at a time, and if you're a slow typer, people can creep in. I mean, you know how creeps are. The good news is you can go to the security and privacy settings, hit privacy, and at the end you'll find this option, show passwords, and just turn it off. Easy. Now your passwords will be hidden always. That's all. If you use a pattern, you can just hide this pattern animation as well. Just use this settings button next to screen lock and turn off this make pattern visible option. You can even turn off pin animations if you use pins. So almost every Android phone these days comes with this Google Discover page which brings you news and stories, but not everyone is a fan. Look, some people don't use it altogether, some don't find it useful, and some people feel that it's taking up mobile data as well as taking up resources in the background, slowing down your phone, which is kind of true in budget smartphones. The good thing is you can just go to the home screen settings in your phone and just turn off this page using this option. Yeah, no more Google Discover on home screen. So let me drop a truth bomb. Virtual RAM in Android phones is a gimmick. See, a lot of new Android phones come with this new RAM expansion feature called extended RAM, RAM Plus, or whatever. And this uses the internal storage as part of the RAM to store a background task. Now, it all sounds fine, but if you have used this feature, you'd know that it does not make a huge difference, and it increases the reading and writing on the internal storage, basically reducing the lifespan of the storage. So this is one option you need to turn off, and just search for RAM in settings in your phone and you should find it by the name of extended RAM or RAM Plus or anything, but just turn it off. So Android lets you choose if you want to give an app your exact specific location or you want to give the app your approximate location, and not everyone knows this, so a lot of apps just use precise location. Now I understand that maps, apps like Uber need your precise location, but what about the other apps? Yeah, you need to turn it off. All you need to do is go to settings, location, app location permissions. Here, just check which app has access to precise location. For example, why does Google need my exact location all the time? I can just turn it off. Same with SwiftKey or even Chrome. So this is one Android feature you need to turn off in every single Android phone of yours right now. I'm talking about Glance, which is basically adware on your lock screen, and it takes up your personal data, slows down your phone. Yeah, you need to turn it off. In One UI, just search for wallpaper services and choose none. In MIUI, just go to lock screen settings and you will find this Glance for Me option to turn off. On Realme UI or ColorOS, just go to lock screen settings and turn off this option. In FunTouch OS, just search for lock screen poster and turn it off. Look, most Android users have their notification center filled with a lot of notifications like this, and yeah, you need to find and stop these annoying notifications. See, in Android's app notification settings, you can see which apps send you the most notifications in a day. Yeah, very useful. And you can just tap on that app and turn off the notifications that are useless to you. Yeah, this should clean the clutter. So another one of most annoying notifications in Android is the notification where it tells you that you can connect to one of the open networks out there. I hate it, not only because it's annoying, but also because open networks aren't really good for your privacy. So here's how to turn it off. Just go to the Wi-Fi page in settings and you should see this network preferences option. Here, just turn off notify for public networks, and that's it. Now there's one Android setting that you need to turn on, and this is for everyone who uses the incognito mode in Android, which is basically everyone. See, one of the biggest nightmares is people getting access to your incognito tabs, and it's especially scary because Android shows you in the notification center that you have incognito tabs open. Yeah, very useful. But there are 2 things you need to do. So number 1, turn off the incognito mode notification. Very important. Second, lock incognito with your fingerprint, so even if someone does access it, it's locked. Yes, very important, and yeah, this is for the bros out there. So those are some Android settings that you need to turn off right now, and one Android settings that you need to enable. And if you know of any more Android settings that we kind of missed out on, make sure to comment below so that everyone can know. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.